Hello everyone, my name is Akshara Shukla. My roll number is 21EX10005. My department is Geology and Geophysics. My section is section 16 and this is my project number 3, Disassemble and Assemble, in which I will be disassembling a Mosquito Racket. We'll look into its various components. Then we'll look at the circuit to understand its functioning in a better way. And then we'll assemble it towards the end and look if it's working or not. So now I have opened the Mosquito Racket. Now we will look into its various components to understand its functioning. So this is the charging slot, and then this is the rechargeable battery, as you can see here. And there it's current, so I won't be touching it directly. And these two wires connect to the top and the bottom net of this racket. And the red wire, it connects to the middle net of this racket. Now I'll turn it around to see its various components so that we can understand its functioning. These are the various components here. The first one is polypropylene capacitor. Its purpose is for the multiplication of voltage. And then these are the NP capacitors. And then looking at these small black cylindrical ones are the diodes. And this is the transformer in order to convert or transform to high voltage. This is the on off switch, and then this is the switch which on long press activates the circuit, and then it's the LED light, and we can look here, it's the resistors, and finally this is the NPN transistor which is used in order for completion of circuit here. And this was all about various components inside a Mosquito Racket which are used for its functioning. And as I have told before, this red one connects to the middle net, and the two white wires connects to the upper and lower net of this Mosquito Racket and provide electricity there. Now we'll assemble it again and look if it's still working or not. So this is the circuit diagram which shows that the circuit inside Mosquito Racket was basically divided into 4 different sections. This is the very first section. It consists of LED indicator, a resistor of 150 kilo ohm. I've taken examples. These are in the exact values. A resistor, a capacitor, diode. There is alternative current input which gets converted into direct current here. This was basically the charging section. The second section is, as we can see here, the second section, it is the on-off section. It also consists of capacitor, diode, resistor, and here in this on-off section, the current reaches as direct current after getting converted from alternative current. And it is connected to the third section, which consists of NPN transistor. The value taken here is 1351 for NPN transistor, and then we have 3 different kinds of binding here basically. The feedback binding, which consists of 35 turns, the HV binding, which consists of 1800 turns, and then the main binding, which consists of 10 turns. And this is connected to the fourth section, which consists of 3 diodes and 1 capacitor, and these are the PF capacitors here, and these are the 3 diodes. Here the section which is shown, this is basically the up and down wires, the wire that connects to the upper and lower net of the racket, and this is the third capacitor, which is a polypropylene capacitor. Now let's check if it is in working condition or not. So this is an on condition. I'll press it and let's see. So it is working. Thank you.